Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a breathtaking journey to a land woven from emerald rivers and verdant plains. Bangladesh, a country painted across the fertile delta of the Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers, awaits our exploration. Prepare to be captivated by its stunning landscapes, ancient history, and the warmth of its people. Here, in the vast watery labyrinth of the Sundarbans, the land gives way to a world unlike any other. This, the largest mangrove forest on Earth, straddles the border between Bangladesh and India. The Bengal tiger, the apex predator, reigns supreme here. These magnificent creatures patrol their domain, hunting, mating, and raising their young. Spotted deer graze in the dappled sunlight, while families of macaques swing through the branches above. The air buzzes with life, from the tiniest of insects to the crocodiles lurking beneath the murky water. As we emerge from the emerald embrace of the Sundarbans, we find ourselves on the shores of the Bay of Bengal, greeted by the seemingly endless stretch of Cox's Bazar. This, the longest natural sea beach in the world, stretches for 75 miles, an unbroken ribbon of golden sand kissed by the warm waters of the Indian Ocean. Fishermen cast their nets into the surf, while children chase the retreating waves. As the sun begins its descent, the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colours. The fiery orb dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Our journey now takes us inland, to the heart of Bangladesh's tea country, a place where time seems to flow at a different pace. Rolling hills, cloaked in a vibrant tapestry of green, stretch as far as the eye can see. This is Sri Mangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh, where life revolves around the cultivation of this beloved beverage. Women pluck the tender leaves from the bushes, their baskets slowly filling with the precious cargo. The leaves, once dried and processed, will be shipped all over the world. Sri Mangal is a place of serene beauty, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Chapter 4: Rangamati, a tapestry of cultures. As we venture deeper into the heart of Bangladesh, the landscape transforms once more, revealing a world of rugged beauty and vibrant cultures. Welcome to Rangamati, a hill district in southeastern Bangladesh, a place where emerald hills rise up from crystal-clear lakes. Rangamati is home to a number of different tribal groups, each with their own unique traditions and way of life. The Chakma people, the largest indigenous group in the region, are known for their vibrant hand-loom textiles and intricate bamboo crafts. Venture out onto the waters of Kaptai Lake, a man-made wonder that stretches for miles, dotted with islands and surrounded by verdant hills. Chapter 5: Sylhet, a journey to the heart of green. Our journey through Bangladesh takes us next to Sylhet, a region often referred to as the land of two leaves and a bud. Here, amidst the rolling hills and verdant valleys, we discover a landscape painted in every shade of green imaginable. Tea gardens blanket the hillsides, their neat rows of bushes stretching as far as the eye can see. Venture deep into the heart of the Rattagal swamp forest, a surreal and enchanting world where trees rise up from the water. Glide through the flooded forest in a traditional wooden boat, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and the sound of birdsong. Chapter 6: Kuakata, where the sun kisses the sea. Our journey along the coast of Bangladesh continues as we arrive at Kuakata, a hidden gem nestled on the southern tip of the country. Kolkata is one of the few places on Earth where you can witness both the sunrise and sunset over the ocean. As dawn breaks, the sky erupts in a blaze of colour, the golden orb of the sun slowly ascending from the watery horizon. As the sun sets, the sky transforms once more, painted in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Kolkata is a place to relax, unwind, and reconnect with nature. Chapter 7. Paharpur, Whispers of a Bygone Era. We journey now back in time to the ancient ruins of Paharpur, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into the rich history of Bangladesh. Here, amidst the rice paddies and villages of northwestern Bangladesh, lie the remnants of Somapura Mahavihara, once one of the largest and most important Buddhist monasteries in South Asia. The scale of the monastery is awe-inspiring, its towering walls and intricate carvings a testament to the skill and artistry of the ancient builders. Paharpur is a place of quiet contemplation, a place to connect with the past and reflect on the enduring power of faith and human ingenuity. Chapter 8. Baghat, a city of mosques. Our exploration of Bangladesh's rich history continues as we arrive in Baghat, another UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the country's Islamic heritage. Known as the City of Mosques, Baghat was once a thriving centre of trade and commerce. The most iconic landmark in Baghat is undoubtedly the Shat Gombuj Masjid, or 60-dome mosque, a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. Its 60 domes, arranged in perfect symmetry, create a sense of awe and wonder. Baghat is a place to immerse yourself in the beauty and spirituality of Islamic architecture. Chapter 9. Dhaka, the heartbeat of Bangladesh. Our journey through Bangladesh culminates in Dhaka, the vibrant capital city that pulsates with the energy and dynamism of a nation on the rise. Dhaka is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. Explore the labyrinthine streets of Old Dhaka, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Visit the Lal Bagh Fort, an unfinished Mughal fortress, or wander through the Dhakeshwari Temple, one of the oldest Hindu temples in Bangladesh. No visit to Dhaka is complete without experiencing the city's legendary street food. Dhaka is a city that never sleeps, a city that embraces both its past and its future with open arms. Chapter 10. Chittagong Hill. Tracts, an adventure awaits. For our final adventure, we venture to the Chittagong Hill Tracts, a region of breathtaking natural beauty and cultural diversity. Here, amidst the rolling hills, dense forests, and cascading waterfalls, we encounter a way of life far removed from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Chittagong Hill Tracts are home to a number of different indigenous groups, each with their own unique traditions and customs. Trek through the lush forests and encounter villages seemingly untouched by time. The Chittagong Hill Tracts are a place to escape the ordinary, a place to challenge yourself physically and immerse yourself in the beauty and diversity of Bangladesh's natural and cultural heritage. As our journey through Bangladesh draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the verdant plains of the Ganges Delta to the rugged peaks of the Chittagong Hill Tracts, Bangladesh is a country of breathtaking beauty and extraordinary diversity. We hope that this journey has inspired you to add Bangladesh to your travel bucket list. Until next time, keep exploring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about the wonders of Bangladesh and beyond. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and leave a comment below with your favorite part. See you in the next adventure.